Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing this X RAM mount for your phone. Pretty much it'll go up here. There's actually a couple ways it could fit. It could fit through these screws right here, which is the one I have. It could fit down here, and it could fit on the bars. But I prefer to have it right here so you can adjust it. This one's non-adjustable, and I believe this one's non-adjustable as well. So to start off, we're just gonna need one Allen key, and it's the, let me see if we can see it, 3/16. And you want to go ahead and pull out one of these, either one, both of them works. You're gonna need 4 things. You're gonna want the clamp itself, which is for your phone. You're gonna want this little joint socket that'll hook up both balls from the ends. This little ball socket or ball joint, however it's called. And one of these special screws. I don't know the name off the top of my head, but I'll link it down below. So once you remove that one screw, you're gonna want to get the ball socket and insert it with the long screw, not the short one. And you just want to go ahead and bolt that down there. You don't want to turn it too hard because the sides of the bottom of it will actually warp the metal. So you just want to give it a good snug turn. There you go. You can spin it or anything. Then you want to get this socket right here and cover it over. You could have it a little bit tight, but I would wait till once you get your clamp in there. And there you go. And the way I like it here is because you can adjust it to anywhere. So if you want it right there, it'll be pretty much that same position. Put it up, but I kind of just angle it towards the middle just because I can fit my key through and I can still see the dash when I'm writing out. Down here. And this clamp is really good too, even at high speeds. I'll show you on later in the video. You can see it doesn't disturb the dash or your clip-ons, and you still have enough space to put the key in. Alright, so now finally got the phone mount on there, and we're gonna go on the test ride. Bike's already warmed up from earlier, so we're just gonna hop and go. It's neutral. So you can see it's pretty nice on there. These grips really grab onto the phone. And I have the iPhone XS, I think, regular X. I really don't know the difference between like all the new iPhones and stuff, other than the new one came out yesterday. But I'm not a big fan of having the newest phone. You can see it doesn't shake or anything. You can see like it doesn't move at all. Like it's pretty nice on there, moving around and stuff. Even on freeway speeds, I'll show you right now, it's still pretty good. a little bit of freeway speeds, and then I'm gonna probably end the video there, or probably when I get to my friend's house right now. I probably won't be doing a lot of like freeway talking until I get that mic adapter.